Welcome to the nature documentary in the Adirondacks.
We are your hosts,
Annelise.
and Emma. We hope you enjoy.
Now, let's get started. Is a red-eft eastern newt. A red EFT eastern newt in its habitat.
So we found a centipede on the side of the road.
More like in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's got yellow legs and a brown and orange body. It's very pretty and very unique because it's got yellow legs and most centipedes have brown legs.
In the woods, there are mushrooms everywhere.
In the Adirondacks, there are very unique looking things. Stick with lots of moss on it, but it's also very unique in a way.
We're exploring nature, and this tree is a perfect representative of the uniqueness of it. It's hollow, but then it has this little opening, which has a mushroom in it and some sticks and little things holding it up, and we think it is really kind of cool.
Plot of land is just one of nature's many things of joy. It's surrounded with logs, the greens inside of it.
So we found this, and we think it's really cool because of the stick, and there's like little pine cones inside sitting in there. But it's also very sad because people are cutting down trees.
Distance, you can see that there's a bent tree that got sliced in half.
We're just reminding you to not cut down trees and don't litter.
We're going to give you some tips about using a campfire because one thing you put in could harm animals and yourself, and the other thing you put in could stop the fire altogether. So here is some campfire safety and campfire tips. This is what you can't put in a fire. This stuff you can put in a campfire.
But most importantly, don't play near a fire. You could burn yourself. This is how to navigate the campgrounds of the Adirondacks, whether it's day or night. When you're lost, when you're at a campground, look for a landmark that tells you you're close or you're there. Like this sign, or a bumper sticker on your car, or what you're staying in, or someone you know.
Hi. Hi. Like us.
If you want to go exploring in the woods at night in the Adirondacks, the first thing you'll need, definitely, is a flashlight or a lantern. The second thing you'll need is a buddy. So those are the things you need if you want to go exploring in the woods at night. Part of the trip been so far?
So far I've loved to see all of the different kind of mushrooms that we keep stumbling upon. There's like probably about 15 different varieties that we've seen just from here to the bathroom. And then I also like the lake area, which you'll see tomorrow when the beach is a part of the documentary.
What's your favorite part of the camping trip been so far?
The baked beans.
What's your favorite part of the camping trip been so far?
Well, I just got here, but I love exploring a new place. And this place is quite diverse. A lot of interesting tree roots and mushrooms and just checking out the campsite. It's been fun.
What's been your favorite part of the camping trip so far?
So far, I think my favorite part has been just everybody being together and enjoying camping together and being able to explore and have fun.
Favorite part of the camping trip so far?
I've liked the all the wildlife that has been around, the newt we found, and the beautiful rainbow of mushrooms. And I've also liked hanging out by the fire and just kind of relaxing and, you know, being with friends and family.
What's your favorite part of the trip so far?
My favorite part of the trip has been all of the rain and all the kids making lots of noise.
I like making noise too!
See, like that. And spending quality time with family.
What's been your favorite part of the trip so far?
I would have to say sleeping in the smallest tent in the world.
What's been your favorite part of the trip so far?
Eating marshmallows.
What's been your favorite part of the camping trip so far? The mac and cheese and the leaves!
This is Lake Luzerne in the Adirondacks. Today, we're going to be showing you the things about Lake Luzerne that make it great. There are a lot of neat things about Lake Luzerne, and one of them is the mountains.
Welcome to the Lake Luzerne forest. There's lots of different plants and species in this forest. Let's see what kind of things there are.
A bird's eye view of Lake Luzerne is quite beautiful. Look at the sights. You've learned a lot about the Adirondacks forests and beaches. Now let's have a quick recap.
The Lake Luzerne forest.
This is how to navigate the campgrounds of the Adirondacks. So we found this and we think it's really cool.
Now you can venture out in the Adirondacks. Hope you enjoy. Now here's the credits.